Oh, look, the elevator's over there. Finally. Now we're going to take a quick ride on it, and you're going to shut your mouth while we're in the elevator, okay? All right, here's the elevator. Now let me push the button. Can I do it? No. I'll push the button this time. No, please, let me do it. Please, let me do it. Oh, my God. Fine, I'll let you push the button in. God. Push the button, you little brat. Yay. That was a rough door. What floor are we going to? We're going to 2. Which button is it? Oh my God, it's that one. We're at 2. We're going to 1 this time. Which button is it? Stop it. It's that one, okay? Shippy, can we go again? No, we're getting off. But I want to go again. Fine, we're going to go again. Just push buttons on the 2nd floor, okay? Push 1. Can we go again, Shippy? No, we're getting off. I want to go again, please. Fine, we're gonna go again. Just shut up, okay? Push 2.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You know what, Sharper? But this is gonna be the last time we're gonna go, okay? We have to go. It's getting late. Push 2. Why did you push the door open button? Close it! Fine, Sugar Bee, you don't have to yell. Let's ring the bell. We're not ringing the bell. Let's ring the bell. What? Fine.
5 minutes later.
Well, great, Shark Puppet. The elevator left because it took too long to press the bell. So, press the button, okay? Okay. Why do you have to yell so much? Because you don't listen to me, idiot. Jeez, fine, whatever. Can we stay here a little longer, though? No, it's getting late and we have to go. What part of that don't you understand? Fine. Can we come back next week? No, we're not coming back for a very long time because you've misbehaved so badly while you were in the mall, okay? Press the first floor button, please. Fine, okay. Let's ring the bell. You want fine, whatever, ring it. I don't care. Let's wait till the door shuts. Okay, that's it.